In this video, we listed the 5 best 3D printer that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Original Prusa for Malawian Quarters 3D Printer. The original Prusa for Malawian Quarters is the latest iteration of the renowned 3D printing machine from Prusa Research. This model, available as a DIY kit for self-assembly or fully built and tested, features a sturdy build combining plastic and metal in a sleek black design. With dimensions of 19.6 inches depth, 15.7 inches width, and 21.6 inches height, and weighing 7 kilograms, it offers a balance of robustness and practicality. The for Malawian Quarters enhances user experience with advanced features such as input shaper support for high-speed performance, a load cell sensor ensuring a flawless first layer without manual adjustments, and a next-gen extruder, coupled with a 32-bit connected platform. These improvements enable remote printing, quick swap nozzles, a customizable user interface with one-click printing, and more. Each unit comes with a free sample of Prusa PLA and is backed by Prusa Research's commitment to lifetime technical assistance and professional customer service available 24/7. Number 2. AnkerMake M5C 3D Printer. The AnkerMake M5C 3D printer offers advanced features and high performance tailored for both beginners and experienced users. Built with PowerBoost 2.0 technology and an ultra-direct extruder, it achieves impressive printing speeds of up to 500 mm per second with 0.1 mm precision, facilitating efficient model production. Connectivity options include Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, enabling remote control, real-time print monitoring, and direct model transfer from mobile devices via the intuitive AnkerMake app. Precision mode supports resolutions down to 50 micrometers, enhancing detail and speed simultaneously. Designed for durability, it features a 300 degrees Celsius all-metal hot end and supports various filament materials like PLA, PETG, ABS, TPU, and PLACF, ensuring versatility. User-friendly functions such as automatic bed leveling, power recovery, and a PEI flexible magnetic plate simplify operation and maintenance, making it an excellent choice for users seeking reliable and efficient 3D printing solutions. Number 3. Anycubic Kobra 2 3D Printer. The Anycubic Kobra Neo 3D printer, characterized by its 90% pre-assembly, facilitates a quick setup in under 10 minutes, ideal for beginners. It features a direct drive extruder for precise filament control and compatibility with various materials like TPU, PLA, ABS, and PETG. A PEI spring steel platform enhances print bed durability and ease of model removal, reducing maintenance costs. The printer includes 25-point auto leveling for accurate prints without manual calibration, while its increased printing volume of 12.1 liters accommodates larger creations up to 250 by 220 by 220 millimeters. Additional features include fast printing speeds, power outage resuming, and filament runout sensors, backed by a 1-year warranty and lifetime technical support from Anycubic. Number 4. MakerBot Replicator Plus 3D Printer. The MakerBot Replicator Plus is a versatile 3D printer designed for ease, speed, and reliability in creating high-quality models. It features advancements over its predecessor, offering 30% faster printing and a 25% larger build volume, accompanied by a factory-leveled build plate and a new grip surface to minimize warping. The printer includes the MakerBot Smart Extruder Plus for consistent performance with MakerBot's PLA materials. Standardized features such as an LCD display, onboard camera, and multiple connectivity options, USB, Ethernet, Wi-Fi, ensure accessibility and ease of use. The package includes essential accessories like a spool of PLA, a flexible build plate, and necessary cables, making it a comprehensive solution for both beginners and enthusiasts in the MakerBot ecosystem of 3D printers, materials, and software. Number 5. ELEGOO Neptune 4 Plus 3D Printer. The ELEGOO Neptune 4 Plus is a robust 3D printer designed for efficiency and performance. Made from metal, it features dimensions of 20.35 inches depth, 20.98 inches width, and 25.11 inches height, with a weight of 16.7 kilograms. It supports compatibility with laptops and personal computers. Key features include impressive printing speeds of up to 500 mm per second, default 250 mm per second, and accelerations up to 12,000 mm per second, facilitated by Clipper firmware. The printer boasts a larger build volume of 12.59 by 12.59 by 15.15 inches, 320 by 320 by 385 mm, enabling the creation of larger models or multiple smaller objects in one print session. Precision is enhanced through features like input shaping, pressure advancing, and acceleration sensors for automatic calibration, ensuring high printing accuracy despite vibrations. The direct drive extruder with a 5.2:1 reduction ratio and a 300 degrees Celsius high temp nozzle enables smooth filament feeding and support a variety of materials including PLA, PETG, ABS, TPU, and nylon. Efficient cooling systems and multiple connectivity options, Wi-Fi, USB, LAN, further contribute to user-friendly operation, making the Neptune 4 Plus suitable for both intricate details and fast printing needs.